outside during the day, but we got something important to share. Every day, we're online, scrolling, posting, chatting, and sharing.
But to stay safe and respectful, we need netiquette. That means good manners on the internet.
Today, we'll show you 5 simple etiquette rules through real-life example.
And trust us, they matter. Let's start learning how to become responsible and digital citizen.
I'm posting this. People need to know how annoying he is.
Wait, John, are you sure that's a good idea? That looks sketchy.
Think about it. Once it's online, you can take it back. Right. I'll delete it. I'll post something positive instead.
Your negative post can impact others in your future.
Rule number 2. Respect privacy.
Narn, I'm posting this video. Everyone is going to see how funny you guys look.
Wait a minute. Did you ask if we're okay with you posting that?
I'm not comfortable to being video today. Can you not upload it? Oh, sorry. I thought it was fine. I'll delete it.
Always polite to ask permission before posting others.
Everyone deserves control over their own image. Rule number 3. Verify before you share.
Guys, look at this. The internet says the city is shutting down. I'm sharing it. Hold on, shucks. Where did that come from? The page looked fake. Let's double check.
I can't find any authentic sources confirming that.
See? It's probably misinformation. Wow, I almost spread a fake news.
Always verify information before sharing. Misinformation can cause panic or confusion. Rule number 4. Be kind in online communication.
You guys never reply on time. What's wrong with all of you?
Hey, that sounded kind of harsh. Yeah, Bars, you could say that nicer. Sorry, I was stressed and didn't mean to sound rude. Be patient if someone don't reply you on time. And last rule, use proper language and avoid spam.
Bro, what are you even saying? That's like 50 emojis.
We're trying to plan something, and your spam is confusing everyone.
Oh, I didn't know. It bothered you. Sorry guys, I will type properly.
Messages helps everyone to understand. Using proper language keeps communication organized and respectful.
And that's it. 5 etiquette rules that help us to keep safe online. Think before you post.
Respect privacy.
Verify information.
Be kind online.
And avoid spam, use proper language.
Etiquette makes the internet a better place.
So, this month.
Every action online matters.
We prevail through the years, all the mood swings bring, make your mood ring, bang the way your mood swing, swing.
Hayaan mo na ilipat ka na